Today's small market moves are pretty common in this market, but that doesn't mean things are dull. Bob Pisani explains.
The markets may not be as dull as you think they are. The low market volatility is making a lot of investors a bit crazy, but look beneath the hood and you will see a market that's showing healthy rotation and really no signs of breaking down, at least not now. In the past month, there have been big rallies in energy and material stocks, and biotech stocks and semiconductors have again reasserted market leadership. Even banks, which has been a huge underperformer all year, have been outperforming the market. Now, all of this is happening with the S&P 500 often just moving 4 or 5 points from its high to its low on an intraday basis. This has been going on for the last few weeks, and it wrongly makes it look like the market isn't doing anything. There's real dynamism in the market. It's just below the surface, and it really isn't captured if the only thing you're watching is the S&P 500. So I see two problems here. First, investors have gotten very used to investing in nothing but these index-backed ETFs, and they need to get their eyes off the S&P 500 and focus a little more carefully on the market nuances. Second, investors need to understand that there is no law that says the markets need heavy volume or high volatility to advance. As my old friend Laszlo Barini told me yesterday, if all you're going to do is just look at the S&P 500 and the volume, you're really not going to understand what's going on in the markets. Hey, by the way, when I talked with Laszlo Barini yesterday and I said, do you have any strategy for people who want to do a little stock picking without abandoning exchange-traded funds? He said a successful strategy for him was to buy the 9 biggest stocks in the S&P sub-indexes, but he said leave out telecom and utilities. So the 9 biggest in the group is Apple, Exxon, Johnson & Johnson, JP Morgan, GE, Procter & Gamble, and Amazon. And that holding an equal basket of those biggest stocks has produced a 22% return this year. That's pretty impressive. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bob Pisani at the New York Stock Exchange.